Hello student, I hope you all are splendid. Today I am going to start Social Study Chapter 3 Movement of the Earth. We have studied a lot about our beautiful planet the Earth. We are going to discover a bit more in today's lesson. We already know that the Earth actually undergoes two movements. The first, the Earth spins west to east on this axis. To complete one complete spin, the Earth takes exactly 24 hours, and during we have day and night. This movement we call rotation. Along with rotation, the Earth also revolves around the Sun along a fixed path called orbit. This spinning movement of the Earth on its own axis is called rotation. The Earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. This axis is titled at an angle of 64 1/2 to the planet of the Earth orbit. The Earth takes 365 and 1/4 days to complete one orbit around the Sun. The part that faces the Sun receives sunlight and has day, while the other part is in darkness and has night. As the Earth rotates from west to east, the Sun seems to rise from the east. This is the reason why places in the east get exposed to the Sun first. The Earth also moves around the Sun in fixed path called orbit. This movement is called the revolution of the Earth. It means that the Earth rotates on its axis. The Earth axis is an imaginary line that passes through the center of the Earth from the north to the south pole. The axis is tilted or inclined at an angle of 23.5 degrees at the pole, which about 66.5 degrees to the place of the Earth orbit. As the Earth rotates, it causes day and night. The side that is facing the Sun experiences day, while the side that is facing away from the Sun has night. The Earth takes 365 1/4 days to complete one rotation. What happens in that 1/4 day? All the 1/4 days are added up for 4 years and to the month of February. That year is called a leap year. So, in a leap year, February has 29 days. Revolution causes seasons. The part of the Earth that faces the Sun experiences summer, while the other part experiences winter. There are 4 main seasons: summer, winter, spring, and autumn. When the North Hemisphere experiences summer in June, the Southern Hemisphere experiences winter at the time, and vice versa. What is equinox and solstice? Equinox, it means that when the North Pole is tilted to the Sun, places in the Northern Hemisphere experiences summer season. This is known as the summer solstice. June 21st, the day is longest and the night is shortest. The Southern Hemisphere experiences summer season in December. This is known as winter solstice. And on December 22nd, the night is the longest and the day is shortest. On March 21 and September 23, the sun rays fall directly on the equator. This is called equinox. At equinox, the day and night are equal. Eclipse. What is eclipse? Eclipse means that a solar eclipse happens when the new moon moves between Earth and the Sun, while a new lunar eclipse occurs when Earth casts a shadow on the full moon. If a planet comes between Earth and the Sun and is visible as a black dot against the Sun, it is called a planet transit. So student, you can see the pictures, images. This is helpful to us that we can understand the things easily. I hope students you all got my point carefully. Thank you so much.